What's going on, guys? Welcome to not so sunny Northern California. We're in Santa Rosa today at Autosport Detailing. They're one of our Modesta installers servicing the clients up here in Northern California. We're going to go in and meet Quinn, who's the owner and founder, and we'll do a quick walkthrough in the shop. I think they have some Modesta coating applications going on, and let's go check them out right now.
Hey guys, welcome in.
Want to just kind of take us through the front of the shop? I love this. It feels kind of very like clean and organized, type A, but you know, very home feeling. So I don't know, why don't you walk us through the shop, introduce us to everybody, and then let's go check out some of the projects.
We've got Tony here. She works for Dent Dynamics. She's got some projects going. We got Dan the Dent Man. He's cruising around the shop over here. Famous Dan the Dent Man. We've got Gloria. She just snuck into the frame. So we've got a mix of retail, merch, photos of projects, little TV action in case people want to watch things. Obviously, you guys are here a little before Christmas. We got the tree up. We got toys for tots.
Oh, you guys are the early Christmas celebrators, aren't you?
Well, really, we were cleaning and organizing, and we found the tree, and we wanted to get it out of our way, so there it is. Of course, we're fully stocked in the Aenso line. If you guys are in the area and you're looking for anything, hit us up. We can also ship it to you as well. Also, Modesta products, maintenance products, ready to go, turnkey buckets. Pretty much just try to keep it comfortable in here.
Dude, I love the feel. It's like very Northern California, like 1960s, 1970s in here. That's pretty awesome.
Thank you. Comfortable couches, custom table, vintage candy machines. Everybody that walks through the door gets offered a water or Aenso drink, and interest either of you guys in a beverage.
I was like, let's go for an Aenso.
Yeah, good choice. Camera guy, drink up.
All right, want to go check out some projects?
Yeah, you guys come on through. So we have Dent Dynamics in this side of the shop. We do paintless dent removal, which is a nice add. Every car that comes in has dents that's getting detailed, vice versa. They come in for a dent, they see our project, they want detailed. So
you guys literally have like Northern California jukebox machine.
Yep.
Old Silver Surfer.
Silver Surfer. Vintage.
Old Pegasus.
Pegasus.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have a collection of stuff for sure. So this is where we're doing all the detailing, so paint correction, ceramic coating. We have this S550 convertible that we are just finishing up a level 2 with the Modesta BCX. We've got Chris here going around doing the coating application. So this is a nice project, it's coming out great.
So BCX, you guys have?
BCX, this is in for a coating maintenance detail. So we're also gonna do that a mini interior, wheels, tires, windows, and jams. Just refresh the car, it's time he drives it, and it's time to get it cleaned up. As we migrate over this way, we have a GT3 RS. This came in for a ceramic coating maintenance detail. So we did the M4, the M2. We're also gonna do the tires, wheels, windows, and also a mini interior. So that's getting freshened up for the customer. So yeah, this is just a few of kind of the packages and services that we offer here at Autosport Detailing.
Awesome.
Modesta is a huge part of what we do. We've been with you guys for about a year right now.
Almost a year, yeah. Technically, we started talking in December of last year.
Yep.
And I mean, Quinn came on board, hit the ground running, dude. It's hard to find business owners that have, I'd say, the principles of what we believe in, but also establish that high quality work. And you guys have hit the mark every single month, just
awesome.
over and over with it. So,
thank you. Yeah, we try. You know, and the Modesta coatings have really made that so much easier for us. You know. So much easier to work with, to install, to get the benefits that you want. Like this particular vehicle got BCO4, which for the hardness and durability of the coating is extremely easy to apply. And for you guys out there that are thinking about Modesta moving forward with your coating projects, we're so thankful. It's made our lives so much easier. You know, something about the way that coating works specifically is after we've spent, 20 or 30 hours polishing the surface, to then be able to apply that coating without marring it, and it's super easy.
Well, it makes your job easy.
Oh.
It gives the customers the end results they want.
It's so much easier.
Well, you said something yesterday when I first got to come by is you used to come back here, like your parents used to come here to get like tires.
This was Mark Morris Tires for years. I mean, I don't know, before I was born. And there was a time in my life where I came here with my dad to get tires. And so it's really cool to actually end up in this facility later down the road. You said something yesterday, a lot of shops are converted warehouses. I started in a warehouse, so I know what that feels like. And it has pros as well. but I think this is a kind of a Santa Rosa staple.
Makes it that small town feel.
Definitely.
Well, cool, Quinn. Well, I appreciate you showing us around the shop,
for sure.
man. Thank you very
so
much. All right, you guys have a good day.
Appreciate it. Thanks, guys.